Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Github and signing in so you see all relevant repositories. Type a clear keyword into the search bar and include language to limit results. Once done, add repo or user. If you know the source, this narrows noise fast. Make sure to use path when you want files in a specific folder. These first actions get you into the flow immediately and avoid sifting through unrelated projects. Now you refine results using search operators and filters to find exactly what you need. Use quotes for exact phrases or between alternatives and not to exclude terms, parentheses group logic. Add code to target source files, extension to pick file types, and path to limit directories. Then sort by best match or most stars to surface authoritative results. If you want recent work, choose recently indexed. This narrows to active projects quickly. Finally, save useful queries and enable notifications so you get updates without repeating work. Open promising repos, inspect commits and use blame to verify who changed code and why, and always read the README for context. When cloning or copying, make sure license and contribution rules are clear. If you find nothing, broaden keywords, temporarily remove language, or repo, filters, and confirm repository visibility. Often the fix is simply a too restrictive filter or a typo in the query.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.